As the year comes to an end, Japan prepares for one of its most important celebrations, the New Year. In this video, we'll explore the traditions and celebrations that make this time of the year so special in Japan. In Japan, the New Year's begins with a fresh start, and that starts at home. This tradition, called oosouji, or big cleaning, is an end-of-the-year ritual. It's not just about tidying up. It's a way to cleanse the space of the old year's worries and welcome good fortune for the year ahead. After cleaning, families hang shimenawa and shimekasari decorations at doorways and other key places. These decorations welcome good spirits and prepare the home for Toshigama-sama. Families also set out Kakami mochi, a stack of 2 rice cakes topped with bitter orange. It symbolizes harmony and continuity. After New Year's, it is often opened and eaten in a so-called osoni to absorb its blessings. The hard mochi becomes soft after simmering it. At home, New Year's Day is also a lot about food. Many dishes derive their flavor from soy sauce, mirin, sake, and tsuyu, which is a soup base. This special meal is packed with symbolic meanings, each dish representing good luck, health, and prosperity. For example, black beans or kuromame symbolize diligence and health. Shrimp signify longevity, with their curved bodies resembling an elder's posture. Datemaki, which is a sweet roll omelette, resembles a scroll, symbolizing knowledge, culture, and academic success. There is a meaning to every dish, making it interesting to look into. But for those who prefer convenience, supermarkets offer a wide range of osechi sets, beautifully pre-arranged and ready to enjoy. Big packs of meat and sushi are also sold. There are also foods limited to New Year, so it's fun to explore. Supermarkets also feature special displays of soba noodles, which brings us to the next tradition. Toshikoshi soba. It's essentially aqueous noodles, spring onion, wasabi, and fish-based broth. Sometimes complemented by tempura, which is butter-fried vegetables, mushroom, etc. It's eaten to symbolize the passing of the old year and to wish for longevity and good luck in the new year. The long noodles represent a long, healthy life, while the act of eating them is believed to cut off bad luck. Once the home is ready, many people head to temples on New Year's Eve. This tradition, known as Joya no Kane, involves the ringing of temple bells 108 times. And before the event, priests often come to the temple to perform rituals and purify the area. And this is typically how the bell is rung. This place had a chime you spin before praying. We also got a fortune note. Looks like I'm getting lucky this year. The people ringing the bell also sometimes receive charms. Looks beautiful. It's fun to just go around different temples or shrines. This place had a Mikoshi dance performance. And on the next day, on New Year's Day, the tradition continues with a visit to the temples for Hatsumode, the first temple visit of the year. The Hatsumode tradition is deeply rooted in Japanese culture, and it typically takes place during the first 3 days of January. But many visitors come right at midnight at New Year's Eve. At the shrine, visitors make a symbolic offering. The coins are dropped into an offering box, followed by a bow, a clap of the hands, and a silent prayer. These rituals are done with respect and reverence, helping to set the tone for the year to come. That marks the end of this video. How do you celebrate New Year in your country? Let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching and hope you have a wonderful 2025.